Morning class. What did you guys all do over Easter weekend? You can turn to your partners and share, and then we can discuss it later. You guys can be a group of 3, and then you two can partner together.
I had my birthday. Big party.
I got so much candy.
You all like candy?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That's awesome. I can't remember.
You ate a lot.
You did?
My mom
I'm
wouldn't
sorry.
eat it all.
But it
My
was
mom
fun.
let me
Next
eat all
time.
my
I just
share.
ate some of my candy.
Alright, class. We'll come together. Heidi, what did Tessa do this weekend?
She had a lot of fun with her puppy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, she got a new puppy and she loved it.
Oh, that's super cool.
Her name's Bella.
Oh, that's so cool.
Adorable.
Alright, Shannon, what did Nick do this weekend?
Nick got a lot of candy and
You ate it all? Oh boy.
he did get sick.
Good. That's a good thing.
Cavities for days.
Alright. Well, now we're going to start in on a thing called multiplication. And we've kind of based it off of the addition we've been learning, grouping like numbers. So can anybody tell me what 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals? Chloe.
8.
Okay, how did you get that?
Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good. Very good. Alright. So we're going to continue learning about this. Yes, Tessa?
I don't get how she got that.
Okay, so we have 2 and 2. What does that equal?
4.
Okay, and then we have another group of 2 and 2.
4.
Okay, so what's 4 and 4?
8.
Okay.
I get it.
Do you understand that?
Yep.
All right.
Oh, for some reason I thought you had 6 twos when you said 2s. But you had how many 2s again?
There's 4 2s.
4 2s. Okay.
Right. Okay. All right, so now we're going to read a book called The Best of Times by Craig Ting. And we're just going to cover groups of 2s and 5s because we're going to start out easier so you guys can get it. All right? All right. So, 2-step. 2 is very fast and fun. Quickly double and you're done. What's that you say? Be more precise. Okay then, just add it twice. So what is 2 times 2? Or it's 2 doubled. 4? Very good, it's 4. All right, we'll try a harder one. What is 2 times 8? Hey,
16.
very good. All right, so I'm gonna do 3s. 3 7. 3 is easy as can be if you triple what you see. In other words, just add it thrice. It simply is 1 more than twice. All right, so what's 3 times 3? We'll break it down a little bit. It's 2 groups of 3, so like 2 times 3. And then you're gonna add 1 more group of 3, so it's 3 groups of 3. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Does that make sense to everybody? Okay. So, can you maybe tell me what 3 times 4 is? Tessa.
12.
Very good. How did you get that?
Because you said the first one was 9, and I just added 3 more to that because it's 1 more group of 3, and that equals 12.
Very good. Good job. Okay. Alright. 5 alive. 5 will yield the right amount if by 5s you always count. Or else just multiply by 10, half will get you there again. Alright, so we're going to focus on these 2 groups. Alright, we have 1 group of 5 and another group of 5. How many groups of 5 is that? Chloe? 2. Alright, it's 2 groups of 5. So you could also say that as 2 times 5. Does anybody know what that equals?
10.
Tessa, can you raise your hand, please? Tessa.
10.
Good job. So 5 times 2 is 10, right? Okay, so now we're going to start out with learning about the x, okay? Right. X is basically a way to show you that you need to multiply a number. So this would be 5 times 4. Another way you can say this is every single time you see this x, you're going to want to replace it with of. So you have 5 groups of 4. Does that make sense? Okay, so 5 groups of 4. Does anybody know how to start that out? How would you do that? Chloe?
You draw 5 groups and you put 4 dots in each group.
Right. So we have 5 groups, right? And then there's 4 stars, just like Chloe said. So can anybody tell me what that would equal? Good job. That's 20. Same goes for the problem we just did. 2 groups of 5. Okay? So you're going to have 10 stars with 2 groups. Okay? Just like the coins we just watched or saw. Okay. So, Shannon, can you tell me how to read this? How would you read this problem?
2 groups of 5.
Very good. All right, does everybody understand? Okay, so in the back of this book, we have these things called fact sheets. All right, and they're basically just things to help you if you get stuck. All right, they're going to have your tables on here. So it's going to be like 2 times 2. It will tell you the number if you get stuck. So I have those for you guys, and I'm going to pass them out.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, so now that we know a little bit more about multiplication, I want you guys to work on it. So I'm going to give you a worksheet, and it's going to have a few problems on it, and I want you to try your best, and if you need help from each other, feel free to ask, and I'll be walking around to make sure you guys understand. Okay, first of all, are there any questions? No? All right, go ahead and get started.
So, I'm gonna do 2 times 10. 10. Big number.
So that's pretty much like 10.
Plus 10.
Okay, class?
Oh,
Can you tell me, Jaime, how you started your first problem?
So me and Tessa did 2 times 10. So it comes out to 2 groups of 10. So
Okay.
we put 2 big circles and we use dots. So we put 10 dots in each circle.
Good job. Okay. Shannon, can you tell me what you guys did?
We did 5 times 5, and then we did 5 groups of 5, and we did 5 dots in each group, and we got 25.
Okay. Do you guys see how putting the groups together helps you count them?
Mhm.
Makes it easier? Okay. All right, well, you guys can continue working on your worksheets, and I'm going to give you 5 more minutes, and if you guys don't get done, I'm going to have you take them home as homework, and then we'll go over them tomorrow during class. All right?
You want to race?